We start with our chart. Just want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the price drop and even take the lowest price of this move. That's why when the price was at the top, we discussed about the reversal. Anyway, we move to higher time frame, we move to daily chart, and still we are within this daily correction. And the only thing is we want to see whether we can get any opportunity for buy as a long term, because we're looking at the 0.006 followed by 0.007 as a target. And still we can consider this one in relative to this. All right, but this means we are within this correction. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup for buy. We are more interested to look for buy. And even if you move to forward chart, we don't need these lines anymore. And even this one, the best thing is if the price could drop, take the lowest price of this one, we conform with this correction before we see the reversal. All right, because still we can consider this one in relative to this. Even it's not really good idea to look at the chart in this way, but at this point, I think still we can consider this one as a correction. All right. By the way, we don't need to care about that. We're looking at the for buy, and we're not really interested to look for sell. And if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And with the breakout of the previous desktop, the previous stop, which I'm referring to, and this point, I prefer to refer to 0.003. All right. Then we see if there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, we just let it go. Because the reason is, that means if you get any opportunity for buy from here, even still, even if this one turned to, I mean, the price continue within this move, the possibility for the next drop is really high. Unless if the price continue from here, unless we see the breakout of this one. Anyway, in that case, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will give update. We will discuss about that. But at this point, the best thing is the price could tag the previous low before we see the reversal. All right. And we don't see any trade setup at this point. We have to wait. We are more interested to look for buy. But as I say, we don't see any trade setup. And even if I move to 1 hour chart, if we get the flag from here, maybe we can look for short-term buy by having entry below this. All right. And at this market, I think within a 2 to 3 days, the market, or even more than that, I mean, within the next few days, the market will be quite slow. I don't think so we can get a really good trade. Any trade either for buy or sell will be a short term. And as I see, we don't see any trade setup. We have to wait. We just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.